Hello everyone, I am Tabish Abbasi, and in this particular video we are going to solve another important problem on the topic of number system. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So as you can see, this is our question: find m and n if the number m39048458n is divisible by 11 and 8, where m and n are single digit numbers. Basically the question is saying find the value of m and n. While we find the value of m and n and we put into this number, so this number should get divisible by 11 and 8. Okay, so this is the basic thing. So we have to find m and n. So firstly, I will tell you what is the divisibility rule of 11. Let's suppose this is 1 to 1, and if I want to check is this number is divisible by 11 or not, so it is very simple. We collect all odd positioned number. So this is odd position, this is also odd position. So odd position number, this is 1 and this is also 1. So we will make this sum. So the sum is 2, and we will also make the even position number, and this is the single even position in this number. So we will take 2. Now we will see the difference of this and this, odd position number sum and even position number sum. So 2 minus 2, which is equals to 0. So the difference is 0, and if the difference of odd position number sum and even position number sum is 0 or multiple of 11, if we are getting the difference as 0 or multiple of 11, it means that particular number is completely divisible by 11. Okay, now let's discuss about the divisibility rule of 8. Now let's suppose this is 2, 8, 9 and 4, 6. And I want to check that if this number is completely divisible by 8 or not. So this is very simple. What will I do? I will take last 3 digits of the number and I will divide this by 8. If this is completely divisible by 8, it means this complete number will be divisible by 8. Okay. Now we have seen divisibility rule of 11 and 8. Let's apply these rules on this particular number. Okay, now let me clear this. Okay, as you can see, M39048458N, M39048458N. Okay, now let's apply the divisibility rule of 8. So we will take last 3 digits. Now 5, 8, 4, it is 5, 8, n. Okay, now let's divide. 8, 7 ja 56. It is 2. Now what should be the value of n? If I put that value here, so it will be completely divisible. I put the value of n as 4. So it will become 24, and 24 is a multiple of 8. So 3 times it will divide it. So it means the value of n will be 4. Okay. So if we put the value 4 into this number, so this number is completely divisible by 8. Now let's let's apply the divisibility rule of 11 on this number. So m, odd position number. Firstly we will take all odd position number. These all are odd position number. Okay, so m plus 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8, m9 4 4 8. Okay, so how much are these? It will be 25. Okay, now let's see the sum of even position digit. These all are these 4, 8, and it will become 5, and it will also n. Okay, so we have put the value of n as 4, so it will become 4. So 3 plus 0 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, 3 0 8 5 4, and the sum is 20. Okay, so let's see the difference. Difference is 25 minus 20, so the difference is 5. And what I told you is the difference is 0 or multiple of 11. If we get this, so it means it is divisible by 11. So what should be the value? What should I add in this 5 because we have 25 plus m. 25 plus m. So we can say that 25 plus m, 25 minus 20, it is 5m. So what will be the value? 5 plus m. What will be the value of m if while we check the difference after applying the value of m? So the difference will be 0 or multiple of 11. So if I put the value of m is 6, okay, so 6 plus 5, 5 plus 6, which is basically 11. 6 plus 5, which will be 11, and which plus it is 5. Sorry, the difference is 5. So here the if add 25 plus 6, so 25 plus 6, which is equals to 31. And if I subtract, if I see the difference 31 minus 20, which is equals to 11, and it is a multiple of 11. Okay, it is 11 also, and it's a multiple of 11. So as we can say that this number, if we write the value of m as 6, n as 4, so this complete number will be divisible by 11 and 8 both. Okay, so our 6 and 7, 4, the fourth option is the correct option. Thank you.